Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Play video. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has signed a presidential decree to convert the historic Hagia Sophia in Istanbul into a mosque, prompting an international outcry. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan had proposed to convert the UNESCO World Heritage Site into a mosque again. Hagia Sophia has been of fundamental importance to both the Christian Byzantine and the Muslim Ottoman Empire. Hagia Sophia is one of the most famous buildings in the world and a very attractive historical building for tourists. This is the most visited place in Turkey. What is the history of Sophia? Hagia Sophia was built as a church in the Byzantine period 1,500 years ago. 900 years later, the Ottoman army captured Istanbul and turned it into a mosque. When the Ottoman Caliphate ended about 93 years ago, it was turned into a museum. This famous building is located by the sea in the 5th district of Istanbul. The Byzantine king Justinian I ordered its construction in 532 when the city was named Constantinople. It was also the capital of the Byzantine Empire, also called the Eastern Roman Empire. In 1453, Sultan Mehmed II of the Ottoman Empire captured Constantinople, renamed the city Istanbul, and overthrew the Byzantine Empire. Upon entering Sofia, the building that housed the Orthodox Church for nearly 900 years, Sultan Mehmed II insisted that it be rebuilt and turned into a mosque. He also offered Friday prayers. For years, conservative religious leaders and nationalists in Turkey have been pressuring Hagia Sophia to build a mosque. Analysts say President Erdogan has contributed to the effort at a time when his political support is waning. Sophia's huge dome is an integral part of the Istanbul landscape where 3 million tourists visit every year. It was the most popular destination in Turkey in 2019 with 3.8 million tourists. The museum has seen an increase in religious activity in recent years. Criticism of the decision worldwide. Although the conversion of Sophia into a mosque will not deter tourists from coming, critics say a change in its nature will reduce its attractiveness. The United States and Greece have criticized the decision. U.S. Ambassador to Religious Freedom Sam Brownback said in a statement that a change in Sophia's status would reduce her ability to act as a bridge between different religions. Greek Culture Minister Lina Mandoni called the ruling open provocation for the civilized world, saying, "Today's decision, which is the result of President Erdogan's political will, is an open provocation for the civilized world." She considers the monument a symbol of unity and known for its unique feature. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO) has expressed regret over the decision and called on Turkish authorities to negotiate without delay. It is noteworthy that the Turkish president has said in a TV interview that this is a matter of Turkey's sovereignty.